It's a big bike ride. I know.
Yes! And
Mum said I should listen to you, and I didn't.
right! That's what I was going to say.
And I'm really, really sorry. And whoa, have you seen how high this is?
I probably should have let you have more fun. I just wanted to keep you... Whoa! This is really high!
Yeah, I think I want to do the zigzag again. That bump was high enough. Yay, bump!
I don't think there's another way down. What if we do it together? I think I know how to make it safe and fun. Scootio, I need Zoom Cam to bring us something. Got it! Ready, Toot?
I am if you are.
Then get set, go!
Yeah!
Whoa! Having fun now, Toot?
Way better in the zigzag.
Time for my secret weapon! Not without me this time! Oh, the jet won't stop!
Our mums are in trouble!
Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Grappling hook, go! Scootio, I need your help!
Zoom Cam, go! Mom, are you okay?
I think so, Scootio. Thanks to you. And to you, Ricky. Oh, the race! Oh, no, you don't.
Sorry, Mrs. Zoom and Mrs. Whizbang, we can't let you go. We brought you here to see something.
Oh.
Let's go!
Oh, I remember winning that. Oh, I remember winning it too.
It didn't matter who won, right?
Isn't staying friends more important?
Oh.
Family Sports Day faces! Sorry. We'll get you, Lou. Hang on.
Clear the way! Officer coming through. Why is everyone looking up? So many balloons!
Did you see the purple one? There's a purple one!
How did this happen?
We may have given him more than one balloon.
That's not just more than one. That's more than one.
That's what I said!
Don't worry. Deputy Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Wait for him. Ready, aim, and grappling hook. Go!
Ricky's got him!
He did it! Yay!
Thanks, Ricky. Any higher and I'd have been the first bike in space.
I'm sorry, Blooms. I never meant for it to end this way. I can't do it. Hey, guys! Any ideas? DJ, knock the building down! Really?
We can't do that.
Aww.
Ricky, you gotta rescue him.
I tried. I can't do it.
You weren't trying to rescue Dasher. You were trying to be Dasher. Just be Ricky.
You're right. How would Ricky do this? Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! That's it! Time to zoom! Grappling hook, go! I'm coming, Dasher! Go, Ricky! Am I glad to see you, cuz? I'm gonna lower you down, okay? Are you sure you know how? I do this all the time. I think you're my favourite cousin. Bike buddies, go! DJ, bike boost! Ricky, you gotta show me how you do that. It's awesome.
I'm pretty sure only Ricky can do that one.
Are you sure about this?
It's your only chance to turn around.
I stopped. And I'm going again. Look out!
All right, now you're going the other way.
That's perfect. The construction site is this way.
Thank you, magic flying traffic light.
Hey, kids!
Have you seen Ricky?
I'm almost there.
What was that?
This is fun. Almost there. Way! But this is the awesomest! What's that steel in the sky?
Steel awesome! What about my project?
Don't worry. Back soon. Boom! I guess I should bring Toot's project back to her. In a minute, yeah! Let's see. What would Steel do right now?
Help! Somebody please help!
He'd help. That's what he'd do.
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! There's a pothole and I can't get through! This is the worst thing that has ever happened to anyone! Is that still awesome? Grappling, let's go! Is that your anti-gravity beam? It is! Steel Awesome is lifting me with his anti-gravity beam! Woohoo! This is the best thing that has ever happened to... Oh, it's over. Thank you, Steel Awesome!
Mrs. Mikey! Mrs. Mikey! What's gone wrong? My brake fluid! Again? Sorry!
We've got to do something to save Mrs. Bikely. Bike buddies, wheel it in! Not Steel Awesome! Not our booth!
Mrs. Bikely is still awesome!
We need more speed, like Steel Awesome. Bike buddies, I have an idea!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Time to do something about that gizmo! Scootio, Luke, can you look out for Mrs. Bikely? Yes! DJ, can you bring that board over here? Yes!
Oh, she's coming back!
Ricky to the rescue! We believe in you, Ricky!
Go, Ricky! There, I can get a perfect view from here. Ooh, a lost item. I should turn it in and report it right away.
Okay, here we go. I can do it. I can do it. No, no.
Strange. That still seems less awesome than your letter said, Mrs. Bikely.
I'm not sure what's wrong. Ricky, do you want to stop?
Whoa! Buster?
What's happening? Is this part of the stunt? Because I like it.
Wow! Code something! Buster in trouble!
Don't worry, I've got you. Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Now, that was a stunt worthy of me. Still awesome.
I'm ahead now, but not for long. See, Dasher, I'm winning. Dasher, gotta dash, little dude, cuz I almost forgot I have a race with Ashley Ace. Ashley Ace, the speedster. Whoa, so cool. Let's go. Sorry, Ricky, but in this kind of race, there's no third place. It's just Ashley and me. Oh, I can't come. We'll race later, though. Okay? See you later, guys. I guess I'll just go to Toot's dance club then. Except it seems like they don't need me there. I'll just race myself to Windshield Point. Ricky versus Ricky! And it's Ricky in the lead, followed by Ricky. Ricky's catching up. I bet everyone else wishes they were here. This is so cool! Whoa! Whoa, yeah! Whoa! I'm okay, but how do I get out of here? Uh-oh! Grappling hook, go! Can't make it! I better call for help!
What's that? Fireworks? Oh no! I forgot a holiday again!
Scootio, DJ, go catch that ball. Luke, come on. Dad? I thought your dad was supposed to do the rescuing. I'm sorry, Dad. I have your ramp.
He knows, Ricky. I'm the one who figured it out. I'm smart that way.
Well, I've got the ramp. I guess I'm the one who has to use it to get him down.
Oh, without training, you'll just bounce all over the place.
Boy, did we find that out the hard way. I know, but I think I've got an idea. I can't watch. I can't not watch. I'll do both.
Ricky, are you sure about this?
Give him a chance, Hank. Are you ready, Ricky?
Ready, Mum.
It's not high enough.
Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Push it higher! Oh no! Slow-mo!
That's it, Ricky.
Hey! Yes! You can come down now, Dad!
Hank Zoom, ready to rescue.
At last!
Let's get you and Sergeant Teddy down, Buster.
And here's your ball.
Hey?
Scootio and DJ should have your ball really soon.
That's my boy. A chip off the old bike.
He's going to make a great rescue bike someday.
Sorry about your rescue ramp, Ricky.
How you going?
Baroo! Buster, look out! Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Grappling hook, go! drive on.
Phew! That was close. Rule 6. Always say thank you. Thanks, guys.
What were you doing? Riding around backwards like that?
It was just so much fun not following the rules for a change.
Some rules are meant to be followed. And that reminds me...
There you go, Ricky. Good as new.
Buster?
You're good to zoom, Ricky.
Wow! He's doing it! Go, Ricky!
Go, Ricky! You can do it!
Oh, I think he's going to do it! He's definitely doing it! Hooray! Fantastic!
I mean, instead of what I said before, I suppose the Wheelford Wheeler will stay a mystery forever. Let's go.
Did you hear that, guys? I think the Wheelford Wheeler is my dad. Oh! This is going to be great! My dad, the Wheelford Wheeler in action!
That's not working.
Are you sure it's him? Because I thought the wheel would be more wheelery. He's just pretending so we don't know it's him. That's more like it. Uh-oh.
That happens sometimes. I think you're about to fall.
Help! Mom? That's amazing! Awesome. So cool! Whoa! I've got to get one of those! Mum, can't believe it!
Pity you never thought to try the saddlebag on me, huh?
I just... never. You're my mum!
And she's a whole lot more as well.
Do I ever know that now?
Down the cans, win a prize. There is literally no way it could be easier.
Why don't we try this? There's lots of prizes that look like Mr. Speedy. Leave it to me, Toot.
Go back to my delivery job. There's your prize. I'm out of here. Going to see that new Steel Awesome movie.
That's not Mr. Speedy. That's a monster trike.
No! It's, Miss Cuddly Wheels! Oh, look how cuddly Miss Cuddly Wheels is! If you're careful not to touch the spiky bits...
Monster Truck Crash Stinks!
See?
Cute!
Mr. Speedy doesn't talk, he squeaks. See you there, Ricky!
I'm sorry, Toot. I tried. But Mr. Speedy is gone. Now we have to get going right now.
Mr. Speedy is gone.
What's that you say, Miss Cuddly Wheels? We should keep looking for Mr. Speedy until we find him. I think think you're right, Miss Cuddly Wheels. It's a real rescue.
Let's rescue him now.
Monster truck destroy!
You can leave that here.
Wait a minute.
Huh? Hey, do that again, kid.
You mean this?
Yeah. That's it! That's the ending I was looking for! I have to try it right now. You guys want to watch?
Yes.
Wow. Still awesome!
Can you believe it, Lou? He got that from you.
I made Steel awesome even more awesome. That was some serious air.
Awesome. So looped. Best thing I ever saw.
And thanks for getting him here.
Oh.
You know, a bike is nothing without a crew. And it looks like you're a pretty great one.
Official Steel awesome crew badges.
See you around.
Best day ever. Getting a flat tire was the best thing that ever happened to me. But I should probably get it fixed, right? Yes.
Nothing can stop a vroom board.
Ruffling hook, go! I got it! Luke, get on it and stop it! I can't hold it for long! DJ, I need a ramp!
I am a ram.
Coming around to go off the ground! This room board has been looped! Next time you catch it, can I be the one to jump on it? Me first! Come on! That was awesome! No! Stop having fun, don't get sidetracked!
Lou?
It's not what you think! It's not what you think!
Huh?
It's not what you think!
What are you doing?
Follow him! Come on, robot! Stop! I can't control it! Whoa! Whoa! Nothing works! Well, something has to be controlling it. Beep, beep, boop, beep, toot! What is that thing?
I don't know. I found it lying over there.